Okay, so we have two questions here that discuss the dimensions of a shape using algebra. And really, they ask about, typically in these kinds of questions, area or perimeter. Our focus here is area. What do they tell us in the first one? Well, they say the width of a rectangle is represented by 2x, and the length is represented by x squared minus x plus 3. What expression represents the area of the rectangle? So the idea is that you have this rectangle, right? It has a width of 2x, so this would be our width right here, and a length of x squared minus x plus 3. So what expression represents the area of the rectangle? Well, we multiply width by length, right, to find the area of a rectangle. So here, to set up this expression, we'll just multiply these widths and lengths, and just like we would with any number. So here we do 2x times x squared minus x plus 3, and we're distributing now because we have 2x times each of these parts inside the parentheses. So 2x times x squared is our first product, 2x times x squared, minus, we have a minus sign here, 2x times x plus 2x times 3. And we can simplify this further. 2x times 3 means 3 groups of 2x's. Right? 2x's plus 2x's plus 2x's, that's 6x. Plus, well, x times x is x squared, so this is 2x squared, and we're subtracting that. And x times x squared means x times x, or x to the third power. So we have 2x to the third power minus 2x squared plus 6x. And that would be my expression for the area of this rectangle. Next, we say if a parallelogram has a base of 6x and a height of 2x, what is the area of the parallelogram in terms of x? This is essentially asking the same question. Right? A parallelogram, maybe like this right here. We know that the base length is 6x, and a height's about a third of that, 2x. How do we find the area of this? Well, a parallelogram, and we're not going to get too much here about why, but basically it's base times height, right? That's how you find the area of a parallelogram. So it's 6x times 2x, and that's it, really. What's 6 times 2? We can do 6 times 2 first, because with multiplication, right, we're just multiplying, we can rearrange the order. So it's 6 times 2 times x. I'm just changing the order. Remember, in multiplication, that doesn't affect anything. So what's 6 times 2? Well, that's 12. What's x times x? That's x squared. So here the answer is 12x squared, and that's the area of our parallelogram. All right, thanks a lot.